23961 Mosaic filler. There are 8 teams into a 5-star break, and if you get those teams in this random, you're in. That's pretty much it. What's a good daily affirmation? Give me an example, Greg. I don't really know what that means. Unless it's just another bad joke. Didn't do the teams. I'll keep those packs right here so we can go over to this screen. Random. 5 times here. I'm sure I pressed that. Okay. Reds down to Nationals. Back to here. Does Blakey ever do fillers for the other sports, or is it always just NBA? I'm just going to open this because I got the packs open. Then we'll see who gets what in 5-star. Something you say, motivational wisdom. Nope, that's not it. I'm not saying that. We can say Rosie Contreras. That's a nice looking card. Not numbered. Grand Salami just makes me hungry. And a bang of Tatis Jr. Something we can say every day to motivate everybody. Get back to work or I'll kill ya. Jose Ramirez, green bang. Rookie debut, Otto Lopez. Jaden Davey, that's Essendon, right? Montes. Suzuki, rookie. Maybe they meant to drop him. Something coming up in this one. It is like a reactive bang. 78 of 99. Verlander and Ace of Spades of Brandon Woodruff. That's why you need a sander. Acuna Jr. and Hall of Fame Johnny Bench. And sauce, hot sauce. Otani, big old pepper. All right, let's see who got actually into the break. No, don't Google it, Daniel. Oh, Daniel, I've told you before. How many times have I told you to not Google that? It was too late. It was too late. All right, 5-star. Let's see who's in. We needed the Rangers. 22. Troy Nicholson. They were the most expensive team left. Troy will take that. Cardinals. 20. Liam Negus. Giants. 10. Matt Bergen. Twins. 24. Jimmy Sue? Jummy. Marlins. Can't see him. 21. Liam Negus. You're not meant to see. Josh is on one. And the Astros. 3, Joshua Whitfield. White Sox, and then Diamondbacks, and then we're into the break. Diamondbacks are in 6. That's also Josh. White Sox, 9. Matt Bergen. No good for you, Joshy. All right, if you want any other fillers to clean up any other baseball breaks, you let me know. We could do them for NFL as well, I guess. For anything that's been a bit slow, but hopefully the code will help with that.